Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you choose one reward. Let's claim milestone rewards in mystery signing of FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. Open this mystery signings banner event. And welcome to the mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone rewards. As you can see, we already claim the player. If you choose Amin Aguirre, he is striker, he's very good. He is trickster. And the second player is center back, the champion of Bundesliga, Piero Hincapi. So after you claim this player, you can choose one milestone reward. So the condition is you have to claim 3 mystery players. So every week there is a new mystery player that you have to get the clue and uncover. So you can choose one of 2 player here, for example. And after that, after you claim 3 mystery players, you can choose one milestone rewards. For example, the first reward is one mixed fashion player, a 2 Mascherano. This is a rank up player. You can rank up player that have OVR between 90 and 99. Very useful. You got to. And of course, if you're lucky, you can get one of this a possible reward. And the second is untradeable mixed fashion player. You cannot sell this type of player. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. And also you get 2 jersey do deck, rank up your player with which is had a 80 and 89 OVR, and 1 Javier Mascherano. And also there is a coin here, 500,000 of coin. It's very good. And the last one is 93 untradeable version player. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player, and 1 Mascherano, 1 jersey deck. So please choose wisely what reward that's you need for your team. Just tap free button and all be done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.